Then new services. Okay, what do you mean by new services? Yes, for currently served market represent attempts to offer existing customers of the organization a service not previously available from the company. Okay, see what happens here. See, first we have generated something which is innovative. Okay, then through that what we did is we did a startup. Okay, we enter into the market. New services, it means that, okay, here what we are required to do, see, in service quality, we have identified, right? In service quality what we have done, we have identified something which is new, and based of that, yes, we have done innovation. We have invented something which is new. Okay, we have invented something which is new. Okay, then after that what we did, through that new service itself, okay, through that new service itself, what we did, yes, we have started our new product line or new service line through that. Good evening, dear students. I am Ms. Vandana Pai. In today's lecture of the subject Services Marketing Management, we will be discussing new service development types and new service development stages. Okay, see, means if we want to develop a new service, what we are required to do, what are the steps which we are required to take, or how to develop it. Okay, all these things will be discussed in today's lecture. So when we come across new service development, see, if a person, that is a service provider, if he thinks that he should enter into new service line, okay, if this person thinks that he should enter into new service line, then what he is supposed to do, what is required to be done, is it, see, if a service provider, if he is successful in one of the service line, okay, then what else he is required to do, yes, he will expand, right? He will expand his service line. Okay, previously if he was dealing in, so when we think about developing a new service, when we think about developing a new service, what is needed? Okay, when we consider development of new service itself, it means that, okay, we need to enter into a new field. Okay, we need to enter into new field. Okay, so for that, yes, first of all we need to develop a service idea. Okay, in which service we want to enter, we need to know about it. Okay, we need to know about it, is it? So when we think about this, okay, there are different things which we need to consider under new service development. Okay, there are different types, okay, which we need to consider under new service development. Okay, so what are the different things? Let's discuss it one by one. Okay, बघा, जेव्हा आपण एखाद्या न्यू सर्व्हिस डेव्हलपमेंटचा विचार करतो, काय इम्पॉर्टंट आहे तेव्हा, ओके, जेव्हा आपण न्यू सर्व्हिस डेव्हलपमेंटचा विचार करतो, इम्पॉर्टंट एवढंच आहे की ओके, जेव्हा आपण एखाद्या नवीन सर्व्हिस लाईनमध्ये एंटर करत असतो तेव्हा बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी आपल्याला कन्सिडर कराव्या लागतात. ओके, बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी आपल्याला विचारात घ्याव्या लागतात. कोणकोणत्या असतात त्या बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी? तर एक म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा तुम्हाला कुठल्या सर्व्हिसला ऑफर करायचं आहे किंवा कुठली सर्व्हिस तुम्ही ऑफर करणार आहात. ओके, दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे तुम्ही प्रॉपर मार्केटमध्ये सर्वे केला आहे का, कोणती सर्व्हिस तुम्हाला आणायची आहे ती. ओके, त्यानंतर खरंच तुम्हाला सर्व्हिसमध्ये एंटर करायचं आहे का, सर्व्हिस सेक्टरमध्ये एंटर करायचं आहे का. ह्या सर्व गोष्टींना तुम्हाला कन्सिडर करावं लागेल. कारण की ओके, वेन वी कन्सिडर सर्व्हिस इंडस्ट्री, येस, इट इज क्वाईट सब्जेक्टिव्ह, इट इज intangible, it is inseparable. Okay, and it differs from person to person. Okay, it differs from person to person. What it means then? ओके, जेव्हा आपण ओके प्रत्येक कस्टमरचा विचार करतो. ओके, प्रत्येक कस्टमरचा आपण जेव्हा विचार करतो तर प्रत्येक जो कस्टमर आहे ओके, त्याला सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडर जे सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हाइड करतो ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला व्हेरिएशन दिसतात. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला व्हेरिएशन्स म्हणजेच डिफरन्स दिसतात. ओके, कारण की सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडरचा व्ह्यू पॉईंट प्रत्येक वेळी वेगवेगळा असू शकतो. जो सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडर आहे त्याचा दृष्टिकोन असेल ओके, त्याचा व्ह्यू पॉईंट असेल, प्रत्येक वेळीस तो वेगळा असू शकतो. ओके, प्रत्येक वेळी तो वेगळा असू शकतो. याच्यामुळे काय होतं ओके, याच्यामुळे ओके सर्व्हिसचे जे कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आहेत ते खूप वेगळे आहेत. आणि ओके, त्यामुळे एखाद्या व्यक्तीला समजा सर्व्हिस इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये ओके एंटर करायचं असेल, सर्व्हिस इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये जर त्याला एंटर करायचं असेल तर खूप त्याला बारकाईने सर्व गोष्टींचा विचार करावा लागतो. ओके, सो वेन वी कन्सिडर न्यू सर्व्हिस डेव्हलपमेंट ओके, मीन्स अ पर्सन वॉन्ट्स टू डेव्हलप a new service or he want to develop a new service line. Okay, at the time there are different types. Okay, see, the first one is major innovations. Okay, see, major innovation means something new. Okay, innovation म्हणजे काय, काहीतरी नवीन. Okay, means so when we consider new service development, okay, the first type which is considered into this is major innovations. Okay, with major innovations, what do we mean? Yes, with major innovations you mean that yes, innovation, this word itself means that new, something which is new. Okay, you might have heard the Schumpeterian theory of innovation. Okay, in that Schumpeterian theory of innovation, yes, the thinker, he has given a combination of 5 new things. Okay, he has given a combination of 5 new things. Which are these 5 new things? Okay, means whenever you want to do innovation, you want to invent something which is new, something which is distinct than others. Okay, see, always you are required, yes, you are required to invent something which is different, something which is new and which is different than others. Okay, if you invent something or if you follow something which is done by everybody, okay, which is done by everybody, then it will be perfectly competitive ones. Yes, it will be perfectly competitive ones, is it? But if you but if you do something, okay, if you do something which is innovative, that is which is new in all respect, okay, you highlight your creativity, you highlight your capability, you highlight your ability into it, surely it will mark its distinctiveness into the market, and all the consumers, they will be diverted as well as attracted towards your product. Okay, so is it as per Schumpeter, this management thinker, okay, as per Schumpeter, this management thinker, is it what is done? Yes, there are 5 things, okay, these 5 factors, they are combined in such a way that, okay, something new is generated, okay, and this new, as it will be having something which is distinctive than others, okay, distinctive than your competitors, okay, surely it will lead towards, okay, surely it will lead towards, okay, attainment of goal in a proper time. Okay, see what are these 5 things. First thing is new product, is it? See, completely new product you are required to generate. Okay, second thing is, yes, new market. Okay, means once you generate a new product, you should, yes, search for a new location, okay, where you will be placing your product. Okay, then, yes, once you search for a new location, new place, is it? New supplier of raw material. Okay, see, you should be searching for new supplier of raw material, the person who will be providing you raw materials. Okay, after that, yes, likewise you are required to identify 5 things and combine those, is it? Like new design, is it? You require to highlight this 5 new things, is it? And combine in such a way, that, okay, surely, okay, what will happen? Surely, whenever you place something which is innovative in the market, yes, the customer, they will be attracted towards your product, as well as they will be diverted from your competitors product. Okay, बघा काय होतं, मेजर इनोव्हेशन्स. ओके, मेजर इनोव्हेशन्स म्हणजे काय? ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये नेमकं काय येतं? मेजर इनोव्हेशन्समध्ये, ओके, इनोव्हेशन्स म्हणजेच काहीतरी नवीन. ओके, बघा, जेव्हा आपण शुम्पेटेरियल थेअरीचा विचार करतो, ओके, ओके, शुम्पेटेरियल थेअरीमध्ये काय सांगितलं आहे? येस, ह्या थिंकरने एक कॉम्बिनेशन दिलं आहे 5 नवीन गोष्टींचं. ओके, 5 ह्या नवीन गोष्टी अशा प्रकारे कंबाईन करायच्या, इज इट, ज्याच्या थ्रू ह्या कॉम्बिनेशनला जेव्हा तुम्ही मार्केटमध्ये प्लेस कराल, तेव्हा शुअरली जे कस्टमर्स आहेत मार्केटमध्ये, ओके, ते तुमच्या सर्विसकडे अट्रॅक्ट होतील. प्लस काय, की जे एक्झिस्टिंग कस्टमर आहेत, ओके, जे तुमच्या कॉम्पिटिटरच्या प्रोडक्टला प्रेफर करतात, असे जे कस्टमर्स आहेत ते सुद्धा तुमच्या प्रोडक्टकडे डायव्हर्ट होतील. ओके, तुमच्या कॉम्पिटिटरचं जे प्रोडक्ट आहे ते सोडून तुमच्या प्रोडक्टला ते प्रेफर करतील. ह्या सर्व गोष्टी होतील. ओके, सो वेन एवर यू आर डुईंग न्यू सर्विस डेव्हलपमेंट, द फर्स्ट थिंग इज मेजर इनोव्हेशन्स. मीन्स यू शुड बी एबल टू जनरेट समथिंग विच इज न्यू. Then startup business. Okay, startup business. What is startup business all about? Yes, startup business itself means that, yes, it consists of new services for a market that is already served by existing products that meet the same generic needs. Okay, see, completely what you do is you identify a new segment. Okay, completely what you do, yes, you identify completely new segment. ओके, नवीन एखादा सेगमेंट तुम्ही कम्प्लिटली आयडेंटिफाय करता. आयडेंटिफाय करून काय करता मग? येस, ओके, बघा, आपण एक टर्म बघितलेली होती मार्केटिंग बघताना, निचे मार्केटिंग म्हणून. ओके, निचे मार्केटिंग काय असतं? निचे मार्केटिंग, येस, इन निचे मार्केटिंग व्हॉट इज डन? ओके, द सर्विसेस, ओके, द सर्विसेस आर targeted in such a way that, okay, your competitors, they might have not covered it. Okay, see, in the same sense we are required to do startup in the sense, okay, what your competitor can't think. Okay, what your competitor can't think, such things you are required to think about. ओके, म्हणजे तुमचा जो स्पर्धक आहे, तुमचा जो कॉम्पिटिटर आहे, त्यांनी ज्या गोष्टीचा विचार केला नसेल अशा काही गोष्टींचा तुम्ही विचार करायचा आहे आणि इनिशिएशन घ्यायचं आहे. ओके, बघा, इनोव्हेशनमध्ये काय केलं आहे, आपण काहीतरी नवीन शोधून काढलं आहे, बरोबर आहे. तशाच प्रकारे, ओके, स्टार्टअपमध्ये काय करायचं आहे, ते इनोव्हेशन, न्यू थिंग जे आहे, जी सगळ्यांपेक्षा वेगळी काहीतरी गोष्ट तुमच्याकडे जी आहे, त्याच्या जोरावरती तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे, मार्केटमध्ये एंटर केलेलंच आहे. ओके, मार्केटचं कॅप्चर करायचं आहे. ओके, मार्केटचं कॅप्चर करायचं आहे म्हणजे काय? येस, यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू डू लीडरशिप. इज इट? सी व्हॉट हॅपन्स if you have invented something which is new, if you have invented something which is new, something which is different than others, okay, then you are the first person to introduce such type of service in the market, right? Okay, now if anyone want to deal in the same type of service, he will be your follower, because your present strategies and plans, okay, he requires to follow you. Is it? So you will be leader and that person will be follower. Okay, काय बघा, स्टार्टअप म्हणजे काय? येस, यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू स्टार्ट युअर इनोव्हेशन्स. ज्याही सर्व तुम्ही इनोव्हेशन्स केलेले आहेत, जेही सर्व तुम्ही इनोव्हेशन्स केलेले आहेत, ते सर्व इनोव्हेशन्स जे आहेत, ओके, ते सर्व जे इनोव्हेशन्स आहेत ते घेऊन तुम्ही काय करताय, मार्केटमध्ये एंट्री करताय. ओके, आता बघा, तुमच्यासारखं जे इनोव्हेशन कोणीही केलेलं नाही आहे, तुमच्यासारखी सर्विस कोणाचीच नाही आहे, बरोबर आहे. ओके, त्याच्यामुळे काय होईल की तुम्ही पहिले अशी व्यक्ती असाल ज्यांनी ती सर्विस लॉन्च केलेली आहे आणि अजून एखाद्या कॉम्पिटिटरला, अजून एखाद्या सर्विस प्रोव्हायडरला जर वाटलं तुमच्यासारखी सर्विस प्रोव्हाइड करावी, ओके, मग काय करायचं मग? ओके, बघा, तुम्ही लीडर असाल, तो व्यक्ती फॉलोवर असेल, कारण की तो काय करेल, तुमचे पॉलिसीज ज्या असतील, तुमच्या स्ट्रॅटेजीज ज्या असतील त्या तो फॉलो करेल. ओके, तो त्या फॉलो करेल. बरोबर आहे का? ओके, त्याच्यानंतर न्यू सर्विसेस. See, in new services, what we do is, yes, the market in which we want to enter. Okay, see, what happens previously, we might be dealing with one of the service. Okay, and there might be our customer base ready. Okay, the customer base, it might be ready. Okay, so whenever we consider the customer base, okay, what we can do, see, we have gone through a concept, customer relationship management, right? Okay, see, through that we have some customer base with us. Is it? We do have some customer base with us. Means what? Yes, surely we will be having customer data ready with us. Okay, we will be having customer data ready with us. Okay, due to this, what happens? Yes, due to this, surely, okay, we can get these customers involved into the activity which we are going to conduct. That is, yes, we are launching the new service, right? Okay, we are launching the new service, we are entering into a new market. Is it? Okay, now whenever we are entering into a new market, what happens? Yes, surely, when we are entering into a new market, we are about, or we are supposed to create a customer base. Is it? So when we come across customer base, the customer base, is it? See, easily you can't convince the customer. Is it? But okay, if previously you were dealing with some of the service, is it, then surely you do have existing customers, and what you can do is, just you can ask these existing customers. Okay, you can ask this existing customers to, yes, or you can use your marketing strategy to target the existing customers itself. Okay, then the fourth thing, okay, whenever we think about new service development, what else we can do? Yes, service line extension. Okay, service line extensions means what? Okay, the present service which you are offering. Okay, what you can do is, okay, previously if you were dealing with one of the service, is it? Okay, what you can do is, you can expand the scope of that service. Is it? See, all these things which we are discussing, they are the types through which you can develop the new service. Is it? ओके, बघा आत्तापर्यंत ज्या सर्व गोष्टी आपण डिस्कस करतोय, जे सर्व टाईप्स आपण डिस्कस करतोय, ते सर्व टाईप्स काय आहेत? ओके, ते सर्व टाईप्स, इज इट, ज्याच्या थ्रू तुम्ही एखादी नवीन सर्विस डेव्हलप करू शकता, ते आपण डिस्कस करतोय. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये आपण बघा आत्तापर्यंत मेजर इनोव्हेशन, स्टार्टअप बिझनेस, न्यू सर्व्हिसेस अशा बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी बघितलेल्या आहेत. त्याच्यामध्येच चौथा पार्ट जो आहे किंवा चौथा टाईप जो आहे तो म्हणजे कोणता आहे? सर्व्हिस लाईन एक्सटेन्शन. ओके, म्हणजे काय असेल बघा हे, की आधी समजा तुम्ही एखादं कॅफे चालवत असाल, कॅफे इन द सेन्स, इज इट, or a snack center. If you were dealing with a snack center, is it, and you are successful in this service, is it, स्नॅक सेंटरची जी सर्विस आहे ती प्रोव्हाइड करताना तुम्ही सक्सेसफुल आहात किंवा प्रोव्हाइड करून ती सक्सेसफुल आहात इन दॅट स्नॅक सेंटर फील्ड. ओके, नाव if you want to extend your service, what you can do is, you can add lunch and dinner facility into it. Is it? Means you can add the main course also. Is it? Okay, such type of extension you can do. Okay, because if the customers, is it, previously, if they are satisfied with your taste, okay, or whatsoever you are providing through your is it center, snack center and all, is it? Then whenever you add something, okay, they will surely expect the same kind of test, is it? And they will experience the same kind of test, and surely you can through that, is it, progress. So, service line extension, it represents augmentations of the existing service line, such as a restaurant adding new menu items, an airline offering new routes, a law firm offering additional legal services, a university adding new courses or a degree. Okay, all these things you can do. All these things you can surely do. Is it? Then service improvements, okay, the fifth type through which you can you can develop the service, is it? Yes, it is service improvements. What it means? It means that, yes, represent it represents that perhaps the most common type of service innovation, changes in features of the services that are already offered, might involve faster execution of an existing service process, extended hours of service, or augmentation such as added amenities in a hotel room. Okay, see what you mean by service improvements. What you mean by service improvements? Service improvements here represents that, okay, yes, changes in features of services that are already offered might involve faster execution of an existing service process, extending hours of service, or augmentations such as added amenities in a hotel room. Okay, what you can do into service improvements? Yes, service improvements here means that, okay, for example, if you extend the working hours, for example, okay, previously if your snack center, it was open in the morning itself, okay, for example, your snack center was open in the morning from 7 to 11. Now see what happens. Few of the people, they also need snacks between 4 to 7 in the evening, okay, as per the need of the customer, as per the need of customer. If as per the need of customer, if you change the working hours or you add the working hours, what will happen? Yes, the customers will get. So if we extend the hours, it will be improved. It will be included in service improvements. Okay. Then service changes. See what service changes represent. Yes, service changes represent the most modest service innovations, changing the color scheme of a restaurant, revising the logo for an organization, or painting aircraft a different color or represent style changes. This do not fundamentally change the service, only its appearance, similar to how packaging changes are used for consumer products. Service changes, the sixth type through which you can develop new service. Okay, see, service changes represent the most modest service innovations, changing the color scheme of a restaurant, revising the logo for an organization, or painting aircraft a different color, all represent style changes. These do not fundamentally change the service, only its appearance, similar to how packaging changes are used for consumer products. See, service changes here means, yes, for example, revising the logo, for restructuring, all these things, they are included in service changes. Okay, getting it? So जेव्हा आपण न्यू सर्विस चेंजेस और न्यू सर्विस डेव्हलपमेंटचे टाईप्स बघतो तेव्हा सहा गोष्टी आहेत. त्याच्यामध्ये न्यू सर्विस डेव्हलपमेंट आपण करू शकतो. एक म्हणजे आपण मेजर इनोव्हेशन्स करू शकतो, आपण एखादा स्टार्टअप बिझनेस करू शकतो, एखादी नवीन सर्विस आपण अवेलेबल करू देऊ शकतो, सर्विस लाईन एक्सटेन्शन करू शकतो, सर्विस इम्प्रूव्हमेंट करू शकतो, सर्विस चेंजेस करू शकतो. ओके, या सर्व गोष्टी आपण करू शकतो. ओके, नाव वेन वी कन्सिडर न्यू सर्विस डेव्हलपमेंट देर आर सर्टन स्टेजेस. ओके, देर आर सर्टन स्टेजेस ऑफ न्यू सर्विस डेव्हलपमेंट. What are those? Let's see. First one is business strategy development. Okay, business strategy development. What is it? Yes, it is assumed that an organization, okay, it is assumed that an organization will have an overall strategic vision and mission. Clearly, a first step in new service development is to review that vision and mission. See, first, so here in the first stage, that is in the first step, what we are required to do? Yes, we are required to prepare a strategic vision and mission. Yes, we are required to yes, develop a strategic vision and mission. Means where you want to go, where you want to carry your organization to. Okay, all these things. Okay, getting it? So first step is in the service development is to review that vision and mission. Then the second step is new service strategy development. See, the types of new services that will be appropriate will depend on the organization's goal, vision, capabilities and growth plans. By defining a new service strategy, possibly in terms of markets, okay, see which types of services you want to develop. A strategy related to this you need to frame in the second stage. Then the third is idea generation. Okay, see, idea generation means service idea generation, continuous systematic search for new product opportunities you're required to do. Marketing oriented sources identify opportunities based on consumer needs. Lab research is directed to satisfy that research. Laboratory oriented sources identify opportunities based on pure research or applied research. Intra-firm devices, brainstorming, incentives, and rewards the ideas. Hewlett Packard Lab is open 24 hours a day, analyzing existing products, okay, reading trade publications, brainstorming for your group project. Ideas should not be criticized no matter how offbeat they are. See, what you can do is you can use your team of the organization, that is the employees group. Okay, what you can do? Yes, you can collect all these people together. Yes, you can collect all these people together. Okay, together enough that, okay, together enough that so what you can do is, see, continuously you are supposed to generate new ideas, is it? Or else what will happen? You will lag behind. Okay, so what you are required to do? Yes, continuously you are required to generate new ideas. Okay, see, for that, if single brainly, if you think on the idea generation, yes, it will not be good. Okay, what you can do? Surely, okay, you can. Yes, surely, what you can do is, you can think about, okay, your employees. You can have brainstorming sessions, is it? You can do research with the help of your employees. Through this, what will happen? Surely, through this, okay, you can, through this, what you can do is, you can generate new ideas which will be distinct than your competitors. Then, concept development and evaluation. See, after clear definition of the concept, it is important to produce a description of the service that represents its specific features and characteristics, and then to determine initial customer and employee responses to the concept. Okay, the service design document would describe the problem addressed by the service, discussed the reason for offering the new service, intimatize the service process and its benefit, okay, and provide a rationale for purchasing the service. The role of customer's employee in the delivery process would also be described. The new service concept would then be evaluated by asking employees and customers whether they are favorable to the concept and whether they feel it satisfies an unmet need. See, what you can do? Yes, through brainstorming you have generated an idea, right? That idea you can turn into concept, you can develop it and evolve it, okay, and in the delivery process, okay, you will consider the employees as well as the customers in a proper manner. Then the business analysis. Assuming the service concept is favorably evaluated by the customers and employees, the concept development stage, okay, the next step is to determine its feasibility and potential profit implication. Means the idea through which you are entering into the market, is it whether it will serve you the purpose why you are why we are implementing that idea or not. Okay, we need to see to it. Then service development and testing. Okay, see, after checking the feasibility, what you need to do? You need to apply it into physical practice, develop it, okay, and test it in the sense have a follow up after a period of time. Then what you can do, yes, you can send the goods, send the service in the market. Okay, start offering it. Okay, you can do market testing, means you can send your product in the market, and what you can do is you can, yes, you can start testing the market. Okay, then the commercialization, you need to advertise your product, advertise your service. Okay, all these things you are required to do under service development stage. Okay, so with this we conclude today's lecture. Thank you.